Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing hair removal at home and using a tool for skin rejuvenation, all in one. This is the IPL Intense Pulse Light Therapy by Mika Glow. This is going to be something that you can use right in the comfort of your home. So if you have ever been considering doing laser hair removal in the spa or with a dermatologist, then you're going to want to watch the rest of this video because I'm going to be discussing this tool here that you can use right in the comfort of your home. Without further ado, let's get started and dive into this tool. Now, as a master esthetician for over 15 years, I have personally experienced laser hair removal in the spa 15 years ago, and technology has really advanced. It's really cool to see that this device is now available for use in the home. This device in particular has been approved and certified to use in the home. And if you do have any questions about using this device for yourself, you can leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. There are a few precautions that you need to take before using this device. And what's nice about the Mika Glow is they do give you a pamphlet, and it's a pretty extensive pamphlet, and it goes over who can use this tool, who cannot use this tool, how to use this tool, how to clean this tool. So what is IPL? Intense Pulsed Light. With IPL technology, gentle pulses of light with the wavelength range between 550 nm and 1200 nm are applied to the skin and absorbed by the hair root. The darker the hair, the better the pulses of light are absorbed. The pulses of light stimulate the hair follicle to go into a resting phase. Now, the high-intensity light pulses works on skin and stimulates regeneration of collagen and elastic fiber. Yes! Photothermal effect improves blood vessels, thus results in skin rejuvenation and wrinkle reduction are achieved. Contraindications. Never use the device if you have dark skin. You want to check the skin tone table that's provided in the pamphlet and make sure that you are within the parameter of the skin tone that is available to use this device. Check the hair color table also in the pamphlet to make sure that your hair color allows usage of this device. Never use this device if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, and never use this device if you have any active implants. The age recommendation for this device is 18 or above, and that's due to the hormones in your skin that can be changing, and you don't really want to mess with that with IPL. In the pamphlet, they provide a list of disorders and skin conditions and areas that you should not be using this device. So before you use this device, make sure that you read through that pamphlet and follow instructions. Your month and a half to 2 month point, you should see a significant reduction of hair growth in those areas. A reduction of hair density should be visible as well. Keep on treating with frequent touch-ups, which is every month or so, to maintain the results. And now I'm going to show you how to use the device. The device has a vent that you want to make sure that you don't cover with your hand. This is the on button. And as you can see, it has 8 different settings, so I can change those settings by simply pressing this power button. I want to make sure that it is on the hair removal, which is HR. You can see in a tiny little text up here. It switches back and forth from skin rejuvenation to hair removal just by holding on to the button. And then if I want to change it's at 1 right now, level 1, I would just press. Now it's at 2, now it's at 3. So basically that means the light is getting more intense. And depending on your skin type and your skin tone, you would increase that. I'm about a level 5, so I'm right there towards like upper middle. Now if I want to switch it over to skin rejuvenation, it's pretty simple. I just hold these 2 buttons together and there you go. It swaps over. And what's cool is the battery actually changes to yellow. So you can also have that to know it has switched over and it's confirmed. So SR would be skin rejuvenation, and there's only 1 level for skin rejuvenation. A few details about this device: it's very lightweight, so it'd be very easy to use. You do have to use it on each area. So I'm going to show you in just a minute, but basically you would pulse the light and move to a new area and make sure it's flat against your skin. And you would pulse the light and move to the next area. So you would have to do your entire area, but it's not heavy, so that would be very easy to do a large area. And also it has 2 settings. Manual would allow you to be in control of when the light pulses. If you set it to auto, you could do larger areas like your legs or a back or a chest, and that would allow you to use this device without having to push the button every time you want the light. You can use this on your face if you want to remove any hair on your face. However, do not go over your lips. Make sure that you avoid that area because those are pigmentations different than your skin, and you don't want to go over any area of your skin that has darker pigmentation, which is darker color. Now, to prep the area before you use this device, you need to make sure that you remove the hair, which sounds silly because you're using this device to remove the hair, but you would want to actually make sure that physically the hair is gone. So whether you are waxing or shaving, you do need to make sure that this area is completely removed of the hair, and then you would want to make sure that there isn't any residue from lotion or oils or wax. So it's preferred that you do this right after the shower, after you've completely dried off. Mika Glow sends you some really cute eye protective wear. They say in the pamphlet that you don't have to use the eye protective goggles, but since I look so cool, I'm going to use them today for you. I'm going to test this out on my arm and show you how to use the manual setting for the hair removal. So again, I'm going to switch it over, hair removal, and it's at level 1. I'm going to bump it up for my skin type, and you're just going to press this black button. There's 1, 2, the question is, should I leave these shades on for the rest of this video or take them off? So some feedback. So you're probably curious to know, does that hurt? Does it sting? Does it smell? Like, what's the experience of using this? And I can tell you all this is a little warm when it's on. The light gets a little warm when you have it here, but it's not burning my skin. You don't smell burning skin. There really isn't a scent. So really you just see the red flash and you feel a little bit of heat from the light, but that's about it. I'm not uncomfortable using this at all. This would be easy to use. You know, it's very quick, very simple. Look how compact this is to just put away in store. Now, you guys know I love my devices and I love using LED light therapy. So this would be the same concept, using the IPL for skin rejuvenation. It's going to go deep into the layers of skin and rejuvenate your collagen and your production to plump your skin and just basically regenerate those cells and give you that youthful, beautiful glow, and also smooth your wrinkles. So using something like this, if you're using the skin rejuvenation side of this tool, you can do that every 3 days, which is so cool. And you would basically just go over your skin and use that for your neck, use that for your skin, anywhere that you need. I cannot tell you how excited I am to have this device at home and use this. I'm going to be using this on my face every 3 days religiously. I'm also going to give you guys an update on the hair removal for the rest of my body. I will gladly give you guys an update on how it works for the hair removal. Of course, like I said before, I'm very familiar with using an IPL for hair removal, so I highly recommend that technique. It's wonderful, and being able to use a device at home for under $200 is fabulous. Again, you can get this device at mikaglow.com. I will put the link below for you, and if you do have any questions about using this device, again, for your own personal need and situation, just leave a comment below and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells so that you can see when I'm using cool new tools and showing you how to do all the makeup tips at home. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.